Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because you know you're gonna like me. Okay, so I know I haven't been posting. I know, but I've been busy. As in my previous videos, I talked about Habitat. If you don't know what Habitat for Humanity is, I'm going to do a whole video on this so I can let y'all guys know what Habitat for Humanity is. But anyway, I've been doing Habitat for Humanity. I've been spending more time with the kids, you know, just doing my motherly thing. But I'm going to get back to doing what I need to do for y'all, because I'm still trying to get my subscribers up. So, yeah. So, here go the kids. Okay, show them your hair.
Oh, hey guys.
Come here. My cousin did her hair yesterday.
Hey guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Look at my hair.
I already showed. There go London. And Tim. Sorry about the TV. Let me get out of here. I don't want to get copyrighted. But yeah, so that's all I've been doing, is just working, doing my motherly duties, doing my Habitat. That's it. But right now I'm finna take me a shower because I need to, because I've been at work all day. Yeah, hold on, let me sit y'all down. Okay, y'all, sorry I'm back. Every time I try to record, somebody been in car with me. So right now I'm making the hamburger. I cooked yesterday. I cooked baked chicken, macaroni, and then some potato salad. But it's potato salad that I bought from Walmart. If you ain't tried this potato salad, you need to try it. As you can see, it's gone. I'm gonna eat that with my hamburger because I ain't got no fries. But I'm cooking the baby some what you call them things? Fish sticks. I was trying to record y'all, but somebody always called. And I'm recording from my phone, so I want me some bacon too. Maybe some turkey bacon. Y'all, I need to clean out my refrigerator. I'm gonna do that. I'll probably do that tomorrow, and I need to clean up. I'm not gonna show y'all everything. Y'all gonna be like, girl. The kids made cupcakes. I'm gonna show y'all the kids' cupcakes in a minute. And y'all, I just cleaned up yesterday. It's amazing how fast your house gets dirty. You what? How you fall down the stairs, Samaya? You okay? So this is turkey bacon. This is the turkey bacon. It's the butterball turkey bacon. I'm putting it on my hamburger.
Hi guys.
I'm gonna just make 2 pieces.
They can't see me.
Hold on. I'm just gonna make 2 pieces and half in it. Wait, cause.
Hi guys. Okay guys. Let me talk to them.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Y'all go follow her on her TikTok, y'all. She trying to be famous, TikTok famous.
So, guys, we're out of school, and we're gonna be out of school because Thanksgiving. And yeah.
Y'all out for the whole week. They out for the whole week.
Yeah. So this is my outfit.
So what y'all doing on Thanksgiving?
I'm not.
Or y'all cooking for Thanksgiving or what? Damn, there ain't no mayonnaise, really. I don't like mustard. There's no mayonnaise.
Mustard?
Do y'all eat hamburger? Do y'all eat mayonnaise with y'all hamburgers or mustard? Mustard. I eat mayonnaise and ketchup.
Mustard.
So yeah. went to daycare.
No, you did. They know you go to daycare.
Guys, guess what we had for lunch? So we had some chicken nuggets. They tasted like chicken nuggets, but they weren't chicken nuggets.
What do you mean they taste like chicken nuggets, but they wasn't chicken nuggets? So what was that?
My friend said they taste like chicken nuggets.
So they wasn't chicken nuggets. They don't look like what I buy y'all?
No. It had burnt. It had black stuff.
This girl. What do you mean they had?
It had black stuff on the line.
They probably burned.
Yeah, but they circled and then they got some black lines. But when you open it, it don't taste like fish sticks. It tastes like some something else. We had tater tots. They mushed our tater tots up.
If I get Paris, I guess I could just take chicken and bread. My baby needs this.
So, and next we have fruit. You always gotta say the fruit for last. I say my fruit because
you must forgot y'all got one more thing of spicy mint.
oh my god, me.
So I'm just making Paris some fish sticks and macaroni. I cooked yesterday, like I said. I guess for work I could take that chicken and bread. Cause I'm gonna say that. Oh, I'm cooking for Thanksgiving. I'm cooking ham, pre-cooked ham. Cause I gotta work. I don't get out till like 2:45. So I'm cooking a ham.
Okay.
Macaroni and cheese.
These are the steps to
I'm
make
probably going to
spicy food.
maybe like some green beans or something, and then I'm going to buy some more potatoes. Baby, this potato salad.
Can I have a cooking show?
This potato salad is what that is.
I have a cooking show. I'm going to get them. So this is how you cook spicy macaroni.
You got to watch how to fry it. So right now I'm just cooking the turkey bacon. I'm going to eat that. I'm going to eat potato salad with my hamburger. Cause I don't have no fries.
So, these are the steps of how to make spicy macaroni. So, you need a pot.
Paris plate.
So, we have to wash this pot out. See? So, let's wash it. So, yeah. Oh, Lord. Okay, so I'm gonna washing the bowl and stuff like that. Cause your girl wants some spicy macaroni. So, everybody can be cooking. So,
Who had one already?
I don't know.
Who had a cupcake already? Did you eat one?
No.
Somebody did. Cause it was more than that. It ain't nothing but 3.
Who ate that other
Who
one?
had a cupcake? Okay, nobody gets none.
Oh my.
Who ate the other cupcake?
Tell us.
It was 4 left. It was enough for all of y'all. Who ate the other? Cause I didn't. Just tell the truth. Who ate the other cupcake? I'm not gonna be mad. Who ate it? Cause if you ate it, that means you don't get one. So who ate it?
Wasn't me. Wasn't me.
Well, nobody get cupcakes then. Nobody. Parents get a cupcake. Y'all don't get one. Who ate the cupcake? Who ate the cupcake? That's enough for some girl. Who ate the cupcake? Was it Samaya?
I don't want no cupcake.
Who ate it? Somebody ate it because it was 4. Who ate it? Did Paris eat it? Who ate
Yeah, Paris ate it.
No, she didn't. How did she get that?
No, that was a Paris yesterday.
No, she didn't. I didn't give her. Mama said no.
No.
There was 12 cupcakes. You had 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's only 3. It's only 3 left. Somebody ate 3 cupcakes. I know how to count. Somebody had 3. Cause it was 12. But Farrah had one. There's 6 of us, because it's 5 of us right now, and the Farrah had one, there's 6. I don't think T had one. Oh, we talking about my cousins yesterday. My cousins and her little girl came over yesterday. I was going to record yesterday, but I didn't.
She said she was going to record us cooking.
I was going to record the kids. I can just record y'all making a cake. It's no big deal. My cousin was over here, so I didn't record. I'm not mad about the cupcakes. I'm just saying, if you ate one already, you can't eat another one because it's not going to be fair. It's only 3. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, guys. So, can they watch me cook?
Yeah, don't make the vlog too long.
Okay.
She want to cook. She want y'all to watch her make. Hold on, let me cut it out. Samaya cooking hot spice. What is it? Hot macaroni.
Yes.
Hot Cheeto macaroni. Better hope Leon don't cry.
Can you wash this for me?
No, you need to learn how to watch it. And then we'll come back when she through, when she ready. This is my plate, what it look like. Set up. Hi you guys. So I'm back. So I'm gonna make a cake, and I cooked some stuff already. Let's get started with the cake. And yeah, I'm doing a box cake with I gotta go to work tonight. So yeah, I'm on somebody fix. So yeah, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. So I know it's very quiet. It's quiet, huh, y'all? It's where's the oil? Okay. So I know it's very quiet. It's quiet because the girls are with my brother because the daycare that they go to closed today at 3. So I couldn't leave work early. So I had to come over my brother's yesterday. So my brother got the girls. So if you're wondering why it's quiet, my brother got the girls. So yeah. So yeah, I'm making a. Let me go get some else. I don't know why I read this. So yeah, I'm making a cake. I'm trying to cook like majority of the stuff because I get out work at 2:45 tomorrow, and the only thing I'm gonna be cooking is the ham. I ain't been eating pork for a while. Whoops, I should have got something else. I should have got a fork. I haven't been eating pork, but I am gonna eat it because I don't like turkey like that, and I don't know how to cook it. What I should have got some turkey wings. I don't know what I'm gonna cook for Christmas, but we're not going anywhere for Thanksgiving. We're gonna stay at home. No reason why, I just don't wanna go nowhere because I gotta get out of work so late. I don't wanna go nowhere. And I gotta clean up too. I bought these from Walmart. I ain't no mint. I eyeball my stuff. I don't ever measure nothing. They look like this better enough. Because I put a little bit more water than what it called for. Because normally when I cook it the right way, it's dry. When the girls come back tomorrow, they're going to make cupcakes. And I'm going to record that. Because I didn't record them the first time, but they want to make cupcakes again. So I'm going to record them. So this vlog probably going to be a little long. Hold on, y'all. I'm stirring the macaronis. I know y'all probably don't like the long vlogs from me since I'm still kind of new, but it's gonna be loud. I'm sorry, but it's gonna be loud. Okay, so I like my cake consistency to be like this, cause when I cook it, put it in there the right way. I don't want to go. It's my cake bun, my cake pan. I'm sorry. I already put canola oil in it. So I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm making a mess, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Let me bring y'all with me. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna take y'all off the tripod. This is the cake that I was mixing in the beginning of the video. Yeah, I know my oven is dirty. Yeah, I know it is. Don't come for me. These are the greens. Once again, you see me putting the cake in there with the candy yams. Back to the video. And then I'm cooking the macaroni. This is a before of what my kitchen look like. This is a before. This is real life. I'm not gonna, y'all know I'm upfront with y'all about everything. So this is what everything looks like. 3. Living room clean. Dining room clean. That's the cake. Bar clean. Don't worry about that. That's the laundry. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Dishes gone. That's the food because it gotta cool down. And guys, so I'll see y'all tomorrow because I gotta go to work at like 7 o'clock in the morning. So see y'all guys tomorrow. Peace. Hi you guys. So it's the day after Thanksgiving. I did not record yesterday. I slept so much. But here go the kids. And don't worry about the laundry right there because I'm doing laundry. There goes Samaya. I'm gonna show y'all what I cook. I'm gonna show y'all what I got at Target today. Okay. I'm gonna pull everything out and then I'm gonna come back. So y'all, I did a ham. And then the girls made these cupcakes. And then I did, stop Paris. And then I did greens. That's sour cream. And then I did yams. And then macaroni. And then I also made a cake. Strawberry cake. Samaya drawing and doing her TikTok as usual. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys really enjoyed your Thanksgiving. Bye. Bye. Tell them bye. Bye. See y'all guys in another video. Peace.